All right, I'm back, y'all. This is so cute, y'all. This sweater, I got this sweater thrifting. I like this sweater because of this, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all know I got Microlocs. I'm about to be 3 months in 3 days. I'm super excited, but I'm going to show y'all how I style my short Microlocs, and they are just a growing. Let me show y'all this before I do this because it was a sad day. It's safe to say I lost a lock. I think this one is about to, I don't think this is it. That one's not the one that's about to slip. There's one that is about to. It's hanging on by a thread. I found it. Y'all, I found it. Oh, I feel so bad for it. I mean, but I'll still be able to like combine the rest of it with something. But y'all, look. It like locked up all down here. Like right here. But this little piece, it is thin. About to come out. So I'm just letting it like stay. When I finish interlocking the back of my head, because I did the front, if y'all can tell, like I interlocked the front of my head. I have to do the back, and I might do some of it later. So I'm gonna show y'all these 3 hairstyles, and first I'm gonna start off by gelling my little edges down because they need to be gelled down basically. So it's Eco Style, Black Castor, and Black Seed Oil Conditioning, Styling, and Shining Gel. It says to hold it for 48 hours. So 2 days. We'll see. But, you know, I don't really think it holds for 2 days. But it will lay them edges down. And I like this because it really works and I feel safe. I'm in a safe place. Yeah, I'm just talking, but yeah, but I wanted to do this video because I wanted to put out I know like when you have short locks, you just kind of feel like you can't do anything with them besides do the side part and just have it hanging. You can do some things with it, and the funny thing is the last style that I'm going to show y'all is a style that I would have never worn with my loose natural hair because I was too afraid to do it because I didn't like the way it looked on my loose natural hair. But with my locks, I love it. And I think it's like so cute. All right, but back to it. All right, so I gelled it down the first. Okay, so this is the first style. So first thing I like to do is, because it's a short lock style, I like to pull out my little sides, and I like to do like 2 of them. You can't see it because of the light. So I pull out like 2 of them on each side. There we go, that's 3 on that side, which is fine. And you wanna have your bobby pins, and you wanna at least have 2 little ties, but I'm gonna use the bobby pin. So the first one, you're gonna have to have bangs. So I like to just get some, because I've been pulling my hair back so they're not really in my face right now. And I'm going to pull however many I want, but then I'm gonna cut that in half. So I have this much right here. I'm not really worried about like it has to be perfect parted. And then I cut it in half. I'm going to get the bobby pin, and I'm going to pin it down so it can kind of like stay. And as long as most of them are like staying, and then you can just like have it your way, like Burger King. All right, I'm in a goofy mood today, so I'm cracking corny jokes. Gosh. All right, y'all. All right, so you see how I got the little Microloc bangs popping. Y'all, I really do love having my locks like the more they're like growing. Okay, and then so you have this on the bottom, on the side, and then you're gonna just pull it back like this, and you're going to pin it. Okay, we want to pin it. We're going to pin, and I normally put 2 pins. I do one going down, and then this one I'm going to do going up, just to make sure that it's being held. Okay, hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Other side. And we're going to go back. Hold on, we want the pieces that are supposed to be back, going back. And I'm putting this pin up, and then I'm gonna put this pin down. It just gives it a tighter hold when you have your pins going opposite ways. So, and then look, you have a cute little look. And boom, boom, boom. I need to do like a twirl or something. Got my bees popping. Let's look at the back. And it's just like it's not even a half up, half down scenario. It's just you have it pushed back. It's still open in the middle, so you're not putting too much stress on it. And it looks cute. For some reason, pulling out your like little baby hairs makes every style you do like pop off. Like it makes it like really, it makes it pop basically. Pop, pop, pop. Go ahead. So this is number 1, y'all see. Okay, style number 2. You want to part your hair down the middle. Part your hair down the middle. And once you have it parted down the middle, make sure you just kind of put something to hold it so the rest of your hair won't get caught up in it. Because y'all know how it is with Microlocs. We'll get caught up real quick. Alright, so it's super simple. You want to, I'm just gonna pull out a couple of bangs. Hopefully they stay. They might not stay, but normally if you have them, you can just pull them out. And it's a couple of bangs. And I don't know if it's gonna stay, but I might not do the bangs because I don't think it's gonna stay. But go ahead and leave your little side burns out. And you want to run your fingers through your locks to make sure it's not like bunched up. So that way you can get the maximum stretch. All right, so, and then that's when you take your hair tie. And don't do it so tight, especially at the back of your head, but then you're gonna put it in a little ball. You know, you have your little, I don't like mine being tight at the back because it pulls at my nape of my neck. And so I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. And I have to like really comb my fingers too. And even if you have to, go ahead and get your spray bottle and, you know, spray your hair if you have to. I don't really think it's necessary for me right now, but if you need to, do it, sis. Spray your hair. Spray your locks. And see, I gotta be careful because the back is, my locks are very thin back there. So, all right, so I'm putting it on there, but I'm not doing it tight. I go around and then I just put it in the ball. Like so, like that. Nice little ball. I have these out. I normally would have, and I just pull the ones down at the nape of my neck. And so, I think this is so cute. And I normally would have like some little pieces hanging, but you don't have to. And see, it said 48 hours, y'all, but it's not really holding. So I'm gonna touch up my edges on that. Yes, I am. And then, there you go. I think this is just like real cute, and like on like a little cute little day when you don't want to really do that much to it. So very cute and chic. Nice little double buns at the back. So alright, let's go to style number 3. So you're going to take these out gently. You want to be careful with your locks because you don't want anything to snap. Now, this last style is the style that I said that how I wouldn't. I'm gonna leave one side in it because I don't want it to get tangled. You're just gonna you can either braid it or do a flat twist. Since I'm not that skilled in braiding, I'm going to do flat twist, and I'm flat twisting away from the edge instead of going towards it. So I'm just going to flat twist. Dang, I forgot to take a picture with my hair like that. Okay. And make sure you include all your hairs like that you can. And remember to leave the one that the edge is out. I told you every one, it just makes your hair that much cuter. I don't know why, but it does. But make sure you're like pulling all of the hair like from the middle and stuff like that too, because you don't want it to be, you know. And when I get to the back, because it's not super stretched out, like long, so I'm gonna twist it, and I'm just going to twist it down. Twist, 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 twist. There we go. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then same thing to the other side. What you do on the right, you do on the left. Okay? So I was twisting away. So I'm twisting away. I'm doing the same thing. Same thing. Pull the hair. And make sure you're getting the hair from the middle too. Get the hair from the middle. 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 I'm gonna keep saying that because I did this the other day and I didn't get the hair from the middle, and it was like a big patch of my hair just coming down to the back. It was so awkward and weird, but okay. So now that I have it, and I'm not really too worried about like the back of it being perfect, and I twist it because I'm gonna pin it. That's what you have the pins for. So I'm just gonna put them together and like try to hide the ends of them. And I'm also gonna try to be like conceal the pins, which I know that probably won't happen like that. But here is the finished look. I hope it looks good in the back. Does it look good in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. I had to make sure because I don't know if I did the straight part all the way back. But
I mean, it's not straight.
okay. Well, it doesn't have to be straight, y'all. But as long as you have your little flyaways out, I think it's cute. Make sure your edges are laid, and you have a look. This is look number 3. It's just the 2 flat twists to the back, and it's really good. This will also help stretch your hair if you want to stretch your locks out. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoy seeing videos like this. I actually will and do wear these hairstyles. So I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and giving me some time of your day. So I will see y'all in my next video, and shalom.